I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by setting the truck on a flat surface, engaging the parking brake and removing the key. Wear safety glasses and gloves. Spend about 15 minutes gathering tools: a 10 mm socket, small trim tool or flat plastic pry, hair dryer or heat gun set low, and the correct Ford F150 replacement glass. Open the door and pull the window down 1 inch to avoid shattering. Before any electrical disconnects, remove the negative battery cable to prevent 12V shorting while you work on switches or motors. Warm the mirror with a hair dryer on low and aim for roughly 120 degrees F to soften the adhesive and reduce shattering. Carefully pry at the inner edge with a trim tool, working slowly to release the 3 retaining clips that hold the glass to the actuator plate. While supporting the glass with a towel, disconnect the 12V heater connector behind the glass if present, then lift the glass away. If the backing plate is broken, remove the 4 mounting screws behind the mirror area with a 10 mm socket to replace the plate. Start installation by connecting the 12V heater plug and verifying the connector is secure. This avoids disassembly later. Align the new Ford F150 mirror glass tabs to the actuator plate, then press firmly until you hear 3 clips snap into place and the glass sits flush. Operate the mirror switch and heater for about 15 seconds to confirm movement and defrost function. Wipe the surface with 70% isopropyl and let any adhesive or bonding agent cure for 1 hour before driving to ensure a solid bond and proper alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.